All right, had a 6.0 for quite a while. That's my truck getting heads. High pressure oil rail balls leaking. This is just a quick opening the box. I'm not opening all the O-rings, just the only reason I ordered it was for the tool and the cup O-rings on the oil rail. The box got a little wet. I was watering the plants just a moment ago. Filming with one hand and dealing with camera focus issues, but the O-rings look all right. The washer's kind of strange. It's not copper. Looks like it's brass. Could just be a coating. Didn't open it. I didn't buy it for those. Bought it for those things right there. That tool and the O-rings. I needed it next day. This is my service truck. I needed to work. This has the alignment hole in it, so it helps align the nipple cups when you're installing. The tool fit right in, smooth and easy. It's got a pretty nice finish. You just use a 23mm socket over the top. You don't need to use a 1/2-inch drive insert like other tools. Just a socket. I'm going to cock this one over. You can see it align the cup. Just like that. It's aligned straight, ready to go. So if I was installing at this point, it'd be torqued straight, good to go. The O-ring seems all right. It's, I don't know what it's made of. Hopefully it works. This was the only kit I could get next day. And again, this is my work truck, so it had to get on the road. I'll order, you know, the name brand O-rings and have them for when I need them if they go out. But I don't plan on using these cups, but there was complaints about metal shavings and chafers and all that shit. That is true. The outside seems all right. It's got a weird, like, heat mark on all the cups that came with the kit. And then it's pretty good scarring and some burring on the injector tip. That's the piece that goes into the injector. But the large bore side seems like it's machined pretty good. But I'm gonna go just show you two of them out of the box. You see the burring there. With a good cleanup, scrub, polish, wash. These cups are probably usable. I'm not planning on using them. I'm gonna use my OEM ones that came out of the rail. Just have some O-rings that are leaking. And here's the other one, just you see coming out of the bag, just pretty consistent. Little tiny metal shavings in the cup. You know, obviously you should wash your parts before you use them anytime you get parts, you know. Make sure they're clean, inspect them. But this one's got that weird rub mark on the bulb section, but still pretty scarred up in the nipple itself. The O-ring seems to fit all right. That's how it's going to fit inside the housing, and the nut's going to clamp it against the housing. So hopefully they don't leak, and it gets me back on the road like I need to be. So these are the exhaust ports for the high pressure oil coming out of the injector rail. After the the spool valve, those are the exhaust ports. So that's where oil will come out while it's running from underneath the high pressure oil rail. That is the plunger relief port, not the high pressure oil exhaust port. Not to be confused. This is what it's going to look like while running, and the cups are sealed. So this is just normal injector high pressure oil pressure exhaust from the spool valve as it's cycling.